Today representing MediaTek from the silicon level. And we are more than happy to share and introduce our offerings and how to put you on the fast lane and how to support you.
To address that all in the broad market, that everybody can have access to the material, the technology. We service the market with hardware development kits, with software development kits. We are coming along with Yocto, with Ubuntu and Android independently. So every AI neural network processing is not using up CPU performance. The deep learning algorithm is very powerful for an edge device, comes up to 4.8 TOPS as mentioned earlier.
Basically, we make everything online available, and it starts with buying action. So meaning you can simply buy the starter kit online and get this shipped elsewhere in the world within 1 to 2 weeks. That's super nice. I invite you to have a look on iPay.wiki. This is where you can buy it online, as I said. This is where you have access to all the software stacks so that you can check up front what you will get with the module. So we make it very transparent. Then you can have access to the schematics of the carrier boards, meaning you can copy and paste a lot, and you can review the bill of material of the carrier board because it's a reference implementation, and we want to basically copy and paste what we did already, that you really can benefit from the faster time to market.